So this is how the Strawbale gardening is looking. Um, what do you have here, sweetie? Just basically peppers and tomatoes?
No, it's not peppers. This side is
これは何? Oh, tomato. Okay.
全部 all big tomatoes.
Okay, they're all big tomatoes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the cherry tomatoes.
Okay, on the other side there. Cherry tomatoes over there. So that's how they're coming along. I mean, it's been a few months since my last post. And you're growing some basil here too, right?
それは Thai basil.
Thai basil now. Okay. And then sometimes you can go and dig in the side of the bale here and plant as well. So basically, you're basically making substrate for your plants to grow. And again, there's a whole book on this. There's tons of video on how to do this, start to finish. And I haven't been able to get out here every day to kind of really do this and show you step by step. But just again, showing some inspiration and giving some ideas. Even if you just have like a balcony, you can do this sort of thing. I would recommend having like a tray, because this does shed some of the soil and some of the treatment and some of the straw. So you could do it on your balcony or something like that. Just make sure you have a mat underneath. Oh, somebody's got the tiller going. So yeah, we've just been rainy up north here. So just the first few days of actual nice weather. So people are out gardening. So right now, this is the other straw bale that we got going. See, some grass is starting to take. And then we've got the cherry tomatoes that are going to start to vine on our trellis here. So I have here some milkweed, and they're about the right size to harvest to eat. The stalks are real good to eat before they develop a whole lot of milky. The latex basically is what their sap is. But we have our leafy vegetables here. Turnip greens and pok-choy and the red pok-choy over there. There's some coriander. Right there I'm growing some indigo. I'm going to try to do some dyeing with indigo. And then we've got spearmint here. So lots of spearmint that needs to be harvested. This looks like a pretty big one. This is getting up there. Some of it, a lot of times we're just doing this kind of growing technique where we're just not really doing a whole lot of tilling the soil and kind of letting the wild plants grow with the cultivated plants, because they help keep the insects down, because it gives something else for the insects to eat. So got some edamame here. We have this covered because we had a threat of hail not too long ago. I've got potatoes in that sack over there. We'll see how that turns out, the russet potatoes. So yeah, this is kind of how it's turning out. We've gotten some decent weather and a lot of rain. But I'm going to harvest some of this milkweed.